Hello, my name is Portia Page and I'm Faculty for Balanced Body as well as the Education Project Manager. With me here today is Nancy Myers from EHS Pilates in San Francisco. We're here today to show you some really fun moves on the CoreAlign, 2 that are in the standard repertoire and 1 that's not. So we'll start off with, we're going to start with which one? Kite-Surfing, yes. So for those kite surfers out there, this is a really fun one. We've got both carts attached to the ladder end, and we're using blue with Nancy because I want to use the same setup throughout the next 3 exercises. And normally it would be a light setting, so that might be a peach, possibly a blue. Again, today we are using blue. You're facing away from the ladder, feet underneath your hips, looking straight ahead, upright posture, and both hands are holding the handles of the ropes. We have the ropes, if you'll notice, just set up right above Nancy's shoulders. We don't want them to be too high nor too low. It's got to be just at that height so she gets the right pull when she leans into it. She's going to slide out a leg, and as she does, she's going to take that same rope over her shoulder and hit this position right here. Now I'm going to have her move through this a little quicker. You'll see what's happening here. As she pushes out, she's having to maintain stability and balance, as well as this beautiful little like kite surfing move of bringing the kite, if you will, which are the straps, over her head. So she makes it look really lovely and very easy, but I can guarantee that it's not. It is quite a challenging move. If you'll also notice, she's got quite a tilt to the body, so this is the part that's challenging. And she can also let go and show us a little shaka there, but that was nice of you to do that. From there, we're going to move her right into speed skating. So we yank her out of the ocean and put her on the snow or the ice, okay? So speed skating, setting up. The front foot is the outside foot. The back foot is on the cart behind. Same setup with the tension. She leans into the ladder, elbow onto the rung. Upright posture, seated back, and let's go. This is a really fun one. You can have great fun with this one, building up cardiovascular as well as leg strength. You can pretend that you're Apollo too. All right, this is a great one. Obviously, you want to do it on both sides. With the previous exercise, she did alternate. This one, you've actually got to turn around, but we're going to move on to our next exercise, which is not in the standard repertoire. For those of you that like to bowl, whether it be recreational or if you're on a league, this is a great way to build up some strength and balance in that critical point when you're bowling and you have to release the ball. So it's the same setup as speed skating. Got the feet set up. This time though, her anchor to hold on to is just the strap, which is not a lot. When you're bowling, you don't have anything. I don't know about you guys, but I look at those bowlers out there and I think, I have no idea how they maintain that balance with that heavy ball and make a strike every time. Nancy's going to show you how they might train for that. Imagine she's got the bowling ball in her hand. She's going to slide the back foot behind her while she bends, and she lets go of that ball. Is that not great? She makes it look so easy. And right here, she's working that inner thigh strength as well as her balance in this precarious position, making it look really easy. I think that was quite a few strikes there, Nancy. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.